In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Zoom virtual background without a green screen. Zoom has become an essential tool for work, education, and connecting with loved ones, and having a virtual background can add a touch of fun, professionalism, or privacy to your video calls. To get started, ensure that you have the most up-to-date version of Zoom installed on your computer. Keeping your software current is vital for accessing new features and ensuring a smooth experience. Once you're set with that, open the Zoom application on your desktop. The first step in the process is to click on your profile icon, typically located in the upper right corner of your Zoom window. By selecting your profile icon, you'll open up a menu with various options regarding your Zoom account and preferences. Next, click on the Settings option from this drop-down menu. This is where you can customize a range of preferences for your Zoom meetings, including audio, video, and of course, backgrounds. Once you're in the Settings menu, type in Background in the search bar. This action will help you quickly navigate to the options you need without having to sift through different settings manually. It's a handy way to streamline the process. After finding and clicking on Background in the search results, you will be presented with several background options. Zoom allows you to select different images as your virtual background, or you might choose to upload your own image to personalize it further. However, the crucial part here is enabling virtual backgrounds. Without enabling this feature, you won't be able to use virtual backgrounds at all. You should see an option to enable virtual background. Click on this to activate the feature. This will allow Zoom to replace your actual background with the virtual background you choose. Do keep in mind, however, that the quality of your virtual background might depend on the specifications of your device, so higher-end devices may yield better results. Finally, don't forget to click on Enable once more to confirm and apply the use of virtual backgrounds. This step ensures that your settings are saved and ready for use in your next meeting. That's it! You're now all set to use a Zoom virtual background without the need for a physical green screen. Whether you want to mask a cluttered room, project a corporate image, or simply have some fun, virtual backgrounds can enhance your Zoom experience significantly. Enjoy experimenting with different backgrounds to see what works best for you and have a great time connecting with others on Zoom.